So what we did is we went ahead and flew the frame over the spot where we're going to dig, just for visual purposes. You don't have to do this, but we want to show you that we're marking the hole 18 inches bigger than the frame all around the perimeter. So the hole is actually going to be a 3 foot wider and 3 foot longer than the actual frame. 18 inch. So when we set this in the hole, there's going to be an 18-inch gap between the wall of the dirt and the frame. This gives us room when we backfill to get a jump compactor in there so we can get the ground compacted really good. If the gap gets too thin, you can't get a jump compactor in there, and then you can't compress your soil, and it'll settle over time and your lawn won't look good. Okay, so we went ahead and marked where we want to dig. I went ahead and put some temporary stakes up so that as I'm digging and the dirt falls and covers my paint markings, I still got the stakes as a reference. So now we're going to take the frame and we're going to just swing it completely out of the way while we dig so it doesn't get damaged. And we want to make sure we dig to the correct depth. The trampoline frame and retention walls are 30 inches high, so we want to dig the proper depth. So what I did is I checked the elevation of his lawn, and at this corner is the high point. Down there is a few inches lower. So we're going to go from the high point, and from the high point, we're going to dig down 30 inches. And that'll be the depth of our hole. So we've got the hole dug at the proper depth so that our trampoline frame will be at the height of the grass. We also coned the hole an extra 12 inches for jump clearance in the middle. So now what we're going to do is we're going to get the mini excavator and we're going to fly this into the hole. Before we do that, we're going to put the retention wall panels on, and then we'll fly it into the hole and we can start backfilling.